Thank you very much. You are welcome to Animal Science Farm. My name is Mrs. Ogbuja Ijoma. I am the officer who is in charge of Pasture Units in the Department of Animal Science, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Here is a pasture paddock. This is a place where we harvest the grasses that we use in feeding our livestock. In Animal Science Farm here, we have 6 functional units, and one of them is a pasture unit. And this pasture unit, I am the one who is in charge of it. Then we have different ways of feeding our livestock with the grasses that are being cut from this pasture unit. 1 is by natural grazing, 2 is by fodder, 3 we have hay, and then 4 we have silage. Then natural grazing is just taking the animal to the farmland so that they will feed naturally on their own. We have fodder, which has to do with cutting these grasses freshly and then take it to the animal in their different pens. Then we have hay. That's the one I have shown you earlier before now. The prepared hay, you harvest the grasses, you expose them to reduce the moisture content, and then you bale these grasses and take it to the animal to feed on it. Then the last one is silage. Like I said, we have silage pits over there. The same method I said earlier on, that's the way we prepare our silage. You harvest the grasses, you expose them to reduce the moisture content. Before then, you chop it to reduce the length, and then make a very big hole called site, and then you cover this hole with a cellophane paper. Then make the heap of these grasses into this cellophane paper in a pit, and then cover it with another cellophane paper and make a heap of soil on top of it. Then we have preservatives. As I said, you can use sulfuric acid. These are a solution that keeps a substance on its state till the time of use. So this is what we do here. You can see this. This is our pasture paddock. This is the entrance, and then this is the exit. This pasture unit is very necessary in a farm where we have a ruminant animal, because you can see what is happening in Nigeria today. If every farmer have a unit like this, there won't be problem with the Fulani herdsmen and the farmers. So it is very necessary we have this unit if you are a real farmer. In no distant time now, right now, federal government are liaising with the farmers on how you can register your farm. Register it with your name, then those farm attendants, you get a kind of apron, give to them, so that if your animal is destroying people's property, the owner of the farm will be held responsible. So thank you very much once again. Here is Animal Science Farm.